Okay, so this is going to be our new YouTube channel, and this is our first YouTube video. And
It's our second. It's our second!
Oh yeah. Well, it's mine like 5, but this is just on my friend's phone. Okay,
Yeah.
so basically, we're going to be selling slime. This slime is £5. This slime, is this one for sale?
This one, yeah, that one's
That one's like
£2.
£3.
2 or 3.
£2.
If you want it with a container, it's
£2.50. Sorry if you're American, but yeah.
Yeah, fuck you, Americans.
You're not allowed to say that. We're gonna have to bleep that out. Yeah, and then that green slime is gonna be worth
About £6 because I put makeup in this and it's really good value.
yeah.
It's £2.
Yeah.
It's fucking £2.
And this one's £2 for this. But for the container, that's an extra £1.
Yeah, because the
Because
container's
this
like
one is massive. Like, look.
Yeah, you wouldn't fit this in a video. What the hell?
In the
Not a
container.
video.
And like,
Not a video.
you wouldn't fit this slime in like this container.
Like this slime's like
This
awesome.
slime's like really pokey. Listen.
That's how clicky this one is. And listen to this bubble.
No, listen to this crunch.
Listen to this,
Okay,
guys.
we're gonna make some slime. We're gonna show you how to make a better colour than this, but not the same size. But we're just gonna show you like the same texture, aren't we?
Yeah.
So we got loads of activator and glue.
Two glue.
Beautiful.
Yeah, we got 2 glue. 2 glue is really good because you know glue's
Glue.
like
If you go to Asda and then you go in like the craft aisle, you can get you
one
can get
glue.
these for like £1 something, and you can get like 3.
And
for,
they're
like,
really good because I
£2.
made this green one and it's probably the
And I think I've added a big one, or like 2 of these, 2 of them into it. You can totally just make this yourself, but it would be cheaper just to buy this because the foam
Yeah.
is a lot.
I'm gonna lift it up, guys, just so you can see our slime.
And girls.
Guys, no, guys can be girls and boys.
I'm not a guy. Okay. Oh, no, I don't want to.
Are we on live?
No. Well, I don't know. It depends if people are watching it
Yeah.
right now, because we're going to upload it later.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so it fits into this container. This whole thing is £3. Sorry if it does get like really, like, if you do live in America and you just happen to have like £1 laying around for some reason, because I have like a $2.
Yeah, we
bill.
don't accept dollars. Sorry.
No, you have to have £1 or £2.
Yeah,
bill.
and we will ship it to you, but it's an extra £4 because you're in America, love. Like,
Well, American is not just gonna casually have a tenner. I found a
$10
$1
then.
bill.
You're paying for it.
I have a $1 bill.
I have $1
Because
bill.
when I go to America next year, I'm gonna need it. Yeah.
Fiona, oh my god, why did you do that?
I didn't do it. It was fun. Okay, we're gonna make some slime.
She's crazy, by the way.
Sure. Wait, so where are the
You should feel
containers?
this one, feel that.
I don't want to. Ew, I don't. Where are? Ooh, it smells. Okay, yeah. Where are the containers?
Oh my god.
Where are the bowls? Where are the bowls?
This one, just this one.
Oh, where's that kind of slime?
It's still.
That's so hot.
No. I don't know.
And she just broke the whole thing. Oh, Jessica and Diet Green. I mean, yeah. That's nice. Okay, we're gonna make some slime now. Jess, which bowl should I use?
Anyway, just go get one in the kitchen. It's
Okay,
orange. It's orangey browny. Get a spoon too.
Orange, brown, yellow, spoon.
Oh yeah, you don't know where it'll be, do you?
No, I don't. No, it's this one. This one. No. I'll open it. Sorry, guys. Sorry that we just left you hanging. But, yeah. We're going to make this to be like 10 minutes. So.
Sad life.
Oh, I have that bowl. Okay, I'm going to use the orange bowl sauce.
Why the orange bowl?
That's what I'm having. We need spoons. You
Okay.
talk to me and I get the tea.
Okay, guys. So
I don't know what they are, but okay.
this is my favorite.
Jessica. I can hear you.
What?
I don't know. You're talking about me.
What? No, I'm not.
I'm gonna get the tiny ones.
All right.
I got tiny ones
Okay.
because I don't think you really useful.
Nah.
I'm just gonna get the glue just in case.
Looks really bad. I thought it was real, didn't you?
No, not really. That's in your
So,
slime. now.
yeah, so
it's
guys-
in your slime.
So guys, this is going to be a Halloween one. This is going to be a Halloween one now. 'cause it's
I'm gonna make a
outside.
Halloween one.
Okay, she's going to make a Halloween one. Okay.
Okay, so
Halloween
you're gonna
one.
have to add-
Halloween. Yeah, whatever.
I'm gonna make.
Halloween.
You have to add about this much glue. Just
Yeah,
enough to
more like
just. Well, it's still glue. I don't really. Okay. Yeah, and then you want to add. Do we have any orange?
We have red. Okay.
Okay, well let's look for some red. Oh, you have Elmer's magical liquid. Wait, no, you don't.
It's empty.
Yeah, I know. Okay, Jessica, where's your ready orange?
Ready orange. It's not orange.
Where's your red then?
I don't know.
Okay, well, anyway. Yeah, so you're just going to want to add this much activator.
One
This
tablespoon.
might turn it green.
It doesn't. It keeps white.
Okay,
I just heard that part.
Yes.
Oh wait, no, it was.
So you want to add 2 teaspoons, roughly. 2 teaspoons, roughly.
So yeah.
It doesn't have to be exact. And then you want to just mix it up. Or you can add some water if you want it to be extra stretchy. We're going to aim for this to be like 10 minutes, right?
Yeah, well, it's only been 5, so
10 minutes. So sorry if you get like really annoyed.
yeah. By the
Okay,
way,
we're going to have, oh yeah, I don't think we've forgotten our like button challenge. Okay, our like button challenge is going to be 1K.
It will never get to 1K because I have boring subscribers.
Well, you don't have to be subscribed to like. And then you just want to add about 2 more. That was
Well,
weird.
that's way too much. That's too much.
Oh, it's not.
Okay.
2 more just to We wanted a sleepover, but her mum said that we couldn't stay at hers, and then my mum said that because she's going to my nan's house, that my dad's going to be home and he's got to go to work and stuff like that.
Stop by. So you guys, this Halloween one is now £7 because there's a spider in it.
Well, how much is the spider worth, Jess?
Spiderweb.
Yeah. How much is that spider worth?
Spiderweb says £2.
£2.
No, I'm joking.
Okay, if you want to buy
It's
that
£1.
massive slime, that is going to be £5.
So guys, I'm doing a giveaway. I'm giving a free slime of this one
And
right
we're
here.
going to get...
But in order to do that, I need 5 million likes. No, not 5 million likes. I need at least 50 likes. And if I
No.
don't get that, you don't get it.
100 likes, and the first person to get the 100th person who likes this video is going to get that massive slime for half the price, which is how much?
In fact, no, it could be free if you guys.
No, it's £4.
Right, so it could be £2. guys.
It can be £4 if you're the 100th like.
Yeah, this is a free giveaway, guys. So I need 50 followers.
Okay,
On my
Jess,
TikTok.
can you add some more glue onto this, please?
And
I
you
need-
added too much. She added way too much. I
Oh, no, stop! Yes!
I told her it was too much.
Jessica!
But she didn't listen to me.
Okay, we're gonna. If this is like the end after 10 minutes, then yeah, but we're just gonna play out some more. We just decided to make slime because
Yeah, I'm not.
we just came from the pizza,
Yeah.
and I got a slush, and she got a slush as well. She got blue one,
Yeah, slushes are all.
and her credit card wasn't working, but I left mine at home.
Yeah, I have my own credit card, guys. But as you probably know, I'm not addicted because people who have credit cards are probably addicted to spending, and then their poor parents have to pay. My mum just pays. Once I went to the shop. Sorry
We're
if you're
gonna go-
American. Mall. If you're American, and we went.
I hate
to
how
get,
when,
it was
like-
so much money. Like it was about.
They
50
do
quid.
questions, like, and then they say it was a
Dollar.
person in year 10, and then they translate it in American, like 10th grade, by the way, and I'm like, what?
Yeah, they have year 12. So, guys, on the next video, we're going to be,
That means we will be in 4th grade.
so then, yeah. What
We're
do you
in high school.
mean? So then,
We're
yeah.
in year 7 high school.
No, we're in year 8.
Yeah, okay.
I forgot we're in year 8. Wait, are we in year 8?
did
Guys,
say-
sorry.
We've had a long 3 weeks at the start
Yeah,
of
it's
year
year 8. I know, we've had a long
Okay, well, this slime is going to be how much? Pound.
Okay, yeah.
Pound 50. Pound 50.
Yeah, oh my god, that's so fluffy. How the hell did she do that?
And magic. We should have got some shaving foam.
I know, I told you.
But we didn't because we didn't.
So, guys, we're going back on the trampoline. We're going to do a video on the trampoline.
You
and
can do a video.
Trust me, it's effing crazy. She's looking
Caitlin
at
added you to a group called Linda.
What? If your name's Linda, you
Be
get
offended.
you get a free slime. No.
If your name is Linda and you have to send us proof of your birth certificate and just cover all of the private details.
Yeah, and don't think about changing it because we know. I have a really smart mom, and if she finds out, she will effing kill you. So yeah.
She will walk to America.
Yeah, she'll walk. She'll walk to America. Yeah. Or
Oh, if you're American, by the way.
F you.
No. If you're American, right?
Sorry, I'm offending Americans, but you deserve it.
If you are American,
I hate you.
please comment down what a year 7 would be in grade. We're 11.
Grade 6, moron.
No. We're going to be in grade 4. Are we in 4th grade?
Are we in 4th grade or or 5th grade?
5th grade is when you're in year 8.
F in 13 grade. Do they even have that? Comment down below if you have 13th grade.
And don't go on YouTube.
Or grade 13, whatever. I don't care.
I think it only goes up. Where did all the slime go?
I don't know. I'm going back outside, guys. So
Well, I'm going to just keep them entertained.
No, because my mom's gonna come and she finds you here by yourself. She's gonna be really furious. So yeah, put it in a container. Or you can just leave it
No,
in.
your mum will probably say, Jess. And then I'll be like, Jess. And just go outside. Like, Jess.
No, come on. Bye, guys.
No.